Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Authentication in a React Native app, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a new React Native project using the command line. Use the command npx React Native init your project name to initialize your project. Once the project is created, navigate into your project directory. Install the Firebase SDK for React Native by running npm install at React Native Firebase /app at React Native Firebase /auth. Next, you need to configure your Firebase project on the Firebase console. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project. After the project is created, select Add App and choose iOS or Android based on your target platform. Follow the prompts to download the Google Service Info.plist for iOS or the Google Services.json for Android. For iOS, place the Google Service Info.plist file into the iOS/your project name directory. For Android, place the Google Services.json file into the Android/app directory. Open the Android/build.gradle file and add the Google Services class path in the dependencies section. Then, open the Android/app/build.gradle file and apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom. For iOS, open the terminal and run cdios followed by pod install to install the CocoaPods dependencies. Go back to your React Native project root directory. Next, set up Firebase Authentication in your project by creating an authentication component. Import the necessary functions from at React Native Firebase/auth. Create a function to handle user registration using Firebase Authentication. Include fields for email and password in your component's state. Create a form that captures user input for email and password. In the registration function, call auth.createUser with email and password, email, password. Handle any errors that may occur during registration with a try-catch block. Similarly, create a login function using auth.signin with email and password, email, password. Incorporate user feedback for login success or failure. Add a signout function using auth.signout for logging out users. Make sure to test each function in your React Native app. Run your application in an emulator or on a physical device to verify authentication functionality. Ensure you have configured Firebase settings properly and that the authentication methods are enabled in the Firebase console. Review the log output for any potential errors during the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.